Welcome everybody. Today I'm going to tell you what to put in your thumbnail so you get more clicks on your videos, therefore getting more views. Are you ready? I know I am. So number one, you want to put your face in the thumbnail. This helps human connection and the more likely to click on. Number two, put these colors in the thumbnail. Yellow, red, and green. These are the three most appealing colors. You can put whatever colors you want, but those are the ones that really connect. Number three is text. So let's say you're doing how-to content, okay? Well, the thing you want to do is, you want to make your video or your thumbnail showcase what your video is about. So for me, I do how-to go on YouTube content. I do how to get views on YouTube. In the thumbnail, I'll want get views today or something like that. I'll get views easier. Get the idea? And follow these extra tips for text. Which way drives emotion to the person, or they ask a question, so can you get views in 24 hours? That's just for instance there. And that makes them question if they can or not. So I hope this helps you, and I know it will. And if you like this content, be sure to subscribe, like, and share. That is all. Have a great day, everybody.